Still won't let me do that. Hey, Brandon. 3D Maker Kid, what's up? My glasses are filthy. All right, so where are we at here? Check resolution. I think we're doing all right. Everything seems to be all right, I think. Oh, good deal, Gunner. I saw your thing earlier, and that was like, that's been actually a problem. Bob from I Like to Make Stuff, he posted the other day about having an issue with that. Do you know of a full set printed MX keycaps? I do not know of. Color swap went rather poorly. What's up, Darren? All right, I need to fix this because it is heavy. Ah, man, I need a better boom. Let's go here. I need to duplicate. This is going to be the monitor. We'll do the small ray cream and ESLR. So I gotta set this other scene real quick so that I can do this. Where are we at? Editor. Monitor's fine. We're gonna switch this to that. Is this on? Should be on. Let's see if I can get this working here. Oh, I guess a default done. That should do it. Oh, that changed all that. Son of a gun. Okay, back to that. Sorry, give me 1 second. All right, and this one, we're just gonna delete that. Yes, and we're gonna add a video capture device. Okay, and then we're gonna drag that all the way down here. Why is that not working? That's interesting. Oh, there it is. Haha. Okay. Get all the printers running at once. That would be quite the miracle, I will say, because they are many of them. I did make some more space down on that shelf. I put some more containers here underneath my workbench, and I was able to get 2 more printers, hopefully 3 more on some of those shelves that become more of my long-term projects. Okay, so for those of you that follow me on Twitter, or I guess if you follow Tom, so Tom decided that he was going to make one of those smart board, like smart screens, and I have been looking to do one of the mirrored ones for 10 years, probably, ever since they first came out. I wanted to do one. I saw him do it, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to bite the bullet today, and I'm going to get started on it. So I went ahead and reconfigured my Pi 3 that I was using for one of my printers, and I went ahead and threw on the Dakboard, configured that up, got Raspbian on it, so that was all done. And I found this old monitor down in my storage room. So what I'm going to do today, the goal is to take it apart and measure it, and then we're going to design in Fusion 360 a fully 3D printed case for it. I'm going to make it in 4 sections. It'll be mainly the frame, and then I'll make a back panel for it, and I'll probably glue the back panel together and make that screw into it. But the goal is to have a 4-section or a full printed frame. I'll cut into 4 because then it'll fit on like the Tornado or the FT5 or CR10, something like that. And I'll also make some screws, I think, so it'll glue and then screw together, so that'll help. And it'll also have a place for the pie. Big goals. I don't know if I'll get it all done tonight, but that is going to be what I want to do. Yeah, so this is not going to have the mirror gunner like I wanted, unless I find one later down the line. But for right now, it's not going to have that. It's just going to be a monitor. It's going to have our calendar. It's going to have the weather. And it's going to have our grocery list. I was working with Wunderlist, W-U-N-D-E-R list, and it was not updating. Even though everyone talked about it, it was not updating on the Dakboard. So I don't know why. The calendar updates every hour with the free version of Dakboard. It's every half an hour with the $4 paid a month version. But I don't know why the list wasn't. So I might need to look for a different list to use. But first, I'm going to go ahead and switch to my DSLR here. And you guys can watch as I start to disassemble this. This is a, what size? This is a 19 or it's a 22. I don't know. Maybe it's a 20. I don't know. But either way, we got to get this off and out of the way so that we can start working on this. Now, if this camera ends up sliding down, somebody just, I don't know, get my attention, because I won't be watching, but it's heavy for this mic boom arm that I'm using. All right, get that out of the way. And I'm not 100% sure how any of this is even going to come apart, so that's going to be the other challenge, is just figuring out how to get this apart down to the bare essentials. Well, now that wiggles. Oh, warranty void if broken. Derp derp. I was like, why is there only 3 screws? That doesn't make any sense. I think this has been out of warranty for a few years. I bought this. Actually, this is my dad's monitor when he had a desktop years ago, and I just took it to have as a spare for me. So now's the fun part, because there is not a single more screw to take out to get this thing opened up. So I think we're going to have to get out the iFixit kit and try and figure out how to get this open. Choppy audio. Let me double check. My batteries are good there, and batteries are good here. I'm going to just re-angle my antenna's a little loose. Hang on. Let me know if this is any better. I'll check back in a minute. That could also be this fan interfering, so we'll turn that off. So I gotta figure out how to get this bezel off. We're sounding pretty good. then, since that's not going to cooperate. Come on. Figure out how to get this side up. Please don't break anything. Oh, this edge here is not cooperating at all. Alright, so the top and bottom came off easily. Well, opened up, I guess. But these sides... Audio is okay. Well, shoot. Why is it being so choppy? I'm not losing, not dropping any frames. Is it not loud enough, or is it better when I'm standing right here? Okay. Well. All right. I hear what you guys mean. Let me see something real quick. Is this any better? Huh. Still. Okay. Give me 1 minute to figure this out. Actually, I'm gonna disconnect and come right back, so give me 1 minute. Do 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 do. Alright, well, if this is good, then that should be good, because that's all the same. They're all using the same microphone. It's good from this view. Okay, this is the view we're going to be using, so I want to make sure it's good for that. You're not going to be able to hear me? Let's chop you again. It must be because it's transcoding the thing. Oh, it sounds fine. I'm getting conflicting things, guys. Chop again. Man. All right. Well, you know, we're just gonna stick to this view then. How about that? Let's just stick to this because I think this is working. I'm on my condenser mic now, so this is completely different microphone from uh, my lav mic. Can you stop it? Well, Michael, you know, life shit sometimes. So if you don't like it, then leave. Sorry, shit happens. I'm trying to figure out what's going on here. Double checking my settings. Everything was fine last weekend, so I'm guessing it's just my internet is just not cooperating today. Double checking my settings. Everything was fine last weekend, so I'm guessing it's just my internet is just not cooperating. Yeah, I'm hearing it back. All right, well, I'll come back in a few. I'm going to go and reboot my machine and see if that helps out. So I'll be back.